Welcome to Lecture 1 of Maths, Class 6, Chapter 1, Knowing Our Numbers. How we make a number? We make numbers with the help of digits. Here I have written 64. 64 is a number. 6 and 4 are two digits. Now I will tell you how we compare the numbers. Here are some rules to compare the numbers. First is, if two numbers have unequal number of digits, then the number with the greater number of digits is greater. Second, if two numbers have equal number of digits, then the number with greater value digit on the extreme left is greater. If the digits on the extreme left of the numbers are equal, then the digits to the right of the extreme left digits are compared and so on. This will be more clear to you with the help of some example. Example 1 is comparison between 358 and 4567. Here in 4567 has 4 digits and 358 has 3 digits. So clearly 4657 is greater than 358. Second is comparison between 1345 and 2456. Here both the numbers have same digits. So we need to start looking at the extreme left digit. In 1345, extreme left digit is 1. In 2456, extreme left digit is 2. 2 is greater than 1. So we can say that 2456 is greater than 1345. Our third example is comparison between 4345 and 4656. Here both the numbers have same digits. So we need to start looking at the extreme left digit. In 4345 and 4656, extreme left digit is also same. So now we need to start looking at the second extreme left digit, which is 3 in 4345 and 6 in 4656. 6 is greater than 3. So we can say that 4656 is greater than 4345. Now the question is, how many numbers can you make? Suppose we have 4 digits 7, 8, 3 and 5. Using these digits, we want to make different 4-digit numbers in such a way that no digit is repeated in them. Thus 7835 is allowed, but 7735 is not, because in 7735 7 is written 2 times. Make as many 4-digit numbers as you can. Which is greater number you can get? The greatest number is 8753. And which is the smallest number? The smallest number is 3578. We can read or write any number in two systems, Indian system and international system. Now first of all we will understand Indian system of numeration. For this, see the place value chart according to Indian system. In Indian system, in ones period, we have 3 places, ones, tens and hundred. In thousand period, thousand and 10,000 place. In lakh period, we have lakhs and 10 lakhs place. In crore period, we have crore and 10 crore place. Now I have written one number according to Indian system of numeration. It is 57 crore 82 lakh 34,679. Now I am going to tell you how we place commas according to Indian system of numeration. First comma will be after ones period, that is after first 3 digits. Second comma will be after thousand period, that is next 2 digits, thousands place and 10,000 place. Next comma will be after lakhs period, that is lakh and 10 lakhs place. Now I am going to tell you international system of numeration. In international system of numeration, in ones period, there are three places, ones, tens and hundred. In thousands period, thousand, 10,000 and 100,000 place. In millions period, millions, 10 million and 100 million place. The same number that I have written earlier in Indian system, now I am writing in international system. Now see how we will read it. It is 578,234,679. And how we place commas according to international system? In international system, every comma will be after 3 digits. First comma will be after ones period, after 3 places, ones, tens and 100. Next comma will be after thousands period, means after 3 places, thousands place, 10,000 place and 100,000 place. And next will be after millions period, that is million place, 10 million place and 100 millions place. If you have understood these both system of numeration, then you can do homework easily of exercise 1.1, question number 2, 3 and 4.